Hi, my name is Bevy, and I'm part of the Unruly Theater Project. So today we're going to be showing you a game called Rap Battle that we like to use to warm up and get our brains moving and our bodies moving and our beautiful voices moving. So how we're going to play this game is we're going to have 2 lines of members, and we're going to give them a monosyllabic word such as dog. And then they're going to get a sick beat going, and the person before each line who's going has to say a sentence that ends with the word or a word that rhymes with what we just gave them. So for instance, they would say, it's not a cat, it's a dog. Exactly. And then the next person may say, it's not a pig, it's a
pig!
Hog. Anyway, there now you can see it has to be something that your group can guess. So we're going to get started and just do 1 round to show you what's up. Okay, UTP! Let's go!
It sticks stuff together. It is glue.
It's not old. It is new.
I did fly. I did flew.
You guys are my crew.
A cow says it. It says moo. Yeah!
Keep playing that game. We can switch off people indefinitely and keep going. Please check us out online and come to our shows all throughout this year. Thank you. Wow!